No, seriously, I'll give you my ID, please. Please.
I already got it.
This encounter starts like a routine street stop, but within minutes, it spirals into something far more chaotic. You've got a driver already on edge, officers asking standard questions, and then suddenly, mentions of weapons, drugs, and a courthouse visit that raises more questions than answers. What's really going on here? Is this just another traffic violation, or is there something much deeper unraveling in real time? Watch closely, because the suspect's own words, his behavior, and the officer's reactions are going to paint a picture that changes fast. And trust me, the moment the search begins, everything escalates.
Recording.
They keep it. Felony. And they keep it. So you still have it. Let me see it.
Can we go get it? You got it? Are you lying to us now?
Give it here. Give it here or you go to jail.
You already go for resisting because he already told you to stop and you kept walking.
97.
So quit playing games and give it up.
Just give it so you don't go to jail. So you still have it. See it. Now.
I'll take you to jail for resisting because you didn't want to listen to him.
I'm not doing no resistance.
You're the one giving out a fake ID right now.
It's a felony to have that. Like,
You
it's
think
not.
I'm crying because of this?
No, we don't want you
No,
to cry.
I'm crying because
Why are you crying?
cops my dad is why.
Alright, give me your ID.
It's cool,
Give me
right?
your fake
It's
ID.
cool, right?
So you can go.
It's cool. It's cool. Yeah. You don't. What, you think I give a f, bro?
Wow, this is
You
terrible.
think I give a f? I'm about to turn 21 and like.
Yeah. Well, just so you know, it is a felony to be able to mess that. Trying to use it. Okay? So we're trying to get over the gravity of the situation.
Okay. Is it that big of a situation? Is it that big of a situation? I said.
Yeah, it's a felony.
For what?
Having a fake ID. And then when a police officer tells you to stop, you don't just turn around and shove it off and keep walking.
Yeah, and I do when I feel like, what are you doing this for?
Are you on drugs?
I'm not on drugs.
Most likely intoxicated. You're under 21.
I'm not actually. I'm not. I don't like cops. I used to very much respect them. But yes, my dad was killed by a cop.
We didn't do that. Well, where's your real ID?
I don't think you need to see it though.
Actually, do.
Yeah, we need to get your
Legally, do you really?
Yeah.
Don't make it harder on yourself. This could be a really small thing and you're not making it.
So right now you got two counts of crime that you committed so far, and you're working on the third.
Either one.
Failure to ID. So how do you want to work this? You can give us your ID. We can run your name. Everything comes back. You'll be good to go.
And then what? And then what?
You can go on with your day. But if you don't, we're going to charge you with that, charge you with resisting, and charge you with failure to identify yourself.
We got enough. You got resisting and you got.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
You didn't want to listen to him when he told you to stop.
Okay, because maybe I was a little pissed off.
You're gonna jail.
No. Stop. I will give you.
We're past that. We're past that.
No.
Give me this thing. The thing.
I'll give you my ID. No, seriously, I'll give you my ID, please. Please.
I already got it.
Yeah, he's on the call.
You want to write a statement?
Please. No, please.
We're gonna get my car, okay?
Wait, but why?
Because you want to jail.
No,
Yes, you
but I literally told you I'll give you my ID.
Yeah. I got you.
All right, I got you.
Yeah, I'm I'm not going. See, I'm up.
No, please. Seriously, I'll give you my ID.
No, we're past that. I asked you that already. No.
Okay, I'll talk to you. For real, can you please? No, seriously. Please. I can't do this.
You got her? Oh, I got it. I don't have a key fob, so.
Y'all literally just said that you were doing. No, but you literally just.
You had every chance to talk to us until
I
this time.
just said I'll give you my real ID.
Have a seat.
The crowd's clearing out now. There's a back here. I'll be switching heads to play a for a second.
Put your legs in.
Timber.
No.
No.
You're about to catch it. Nope.
You got it.
Yeah.
I'll do a statement for you.
Appreciate it. She can catch a resisting charge now, too.
Why? Because she was trying
Well,
to get it back. Well, I tried calling her back. Like, hey,
She looked back at him and kept walking.
Yeah. And then, hey, we'll just give us your ID. Let us run it. Everything will be good. She didn't want to do that. We asked her.
Dude, don't make me have to rap her. You keep kicking my car, I'm gonna put you in a rap. Relax.
No.
Relax. Are you gonna keep kicking my car?
Slide your feet in the car.
You're making this harder on yourself than it has to be.
I just want you to listen to me.
I'm listening to you. Talk to me.
First of all,
Is it?
I need to wipe my nose.
I'm not wiping your nose right now, okay? Is it?
How do you know?
Oh, I found your real ID. No, stay in the car.
No, I am. No, I'm right
Stay in
here.
the car. Nope.
If she wants to talk, put her back in and roll the window.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
I genuinely, I want to talk to you. Can I please?
So we're gonna talk. Put your legs back in the car.
1016, Bravo 1, 1015.
Put your feet back in the
No,
car.
I am. God damn it, bro. I am. Can I please talk to you?
Yes. I just don't like the rapper, dude, because it's just extra.
Yep.
What's up? Is it? How do you like? What do you prefer? You gonna talk to me?
I will talk to you.
Okay. As far as what?
No,
I'm not worried
I'm
about that.
serious.
They're resisting
I'm
the
serious.
fake ID.
No, I'm not like that. The only reason I don't like cops, bro, the only reason I don't like cops is you.
Wherever you can find space, Gleggy. Yeah, wherever you find space in there. Yeah, I got it. All right. We're gonna head out, okay?
I thought y'all see. No, wait, stop!
No.
I thought.
Appreciate you, buddy.
No, please. I'm telling you, please.
No, it gets too windy back there. We gotta roll the window up.
No, I'm telling you right now. I know.
All right, I'm gonna head out. We're done. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. If you hear me on the radio, you know what it is. I'm gonna drive. Code 8. You got it?
Turn on the location.
Resisting and possession of a fake ID.
Every time he goes to drive off, she keeps kicking.
She's like, puts her feet, starts
Okay,
kicking out the
I
window.
want to explain something very clearly to you, okay? I'm the supervisor. If you bang anything in the back of this vehicle, we're going to put you into a human, it's like a human condom, okay? It'll constrict you. It's like almost like a straitjacket for your entire body. Okay? Are you going to be transported or are we going to put you in this? Huh? This is your final opportunity, okay? If you bang one more time, you'll go into it. Do you understand me?
I do.
Okay, he's going to transport you to jail. One hit and we'll throw you in it. Do you understand? All right.
I do. Can I talk to you?
Take that, you follow.
What? Okay. All right, she didn't want to talk.
talk there.
I want to talk to you.
All right.
I'm the supervisor. If you bang once, you'll go on the wrap. He'll talk to you at the jail. Okay, he'll talk to you and he'll call whoever you want. Just remain calm till you get there. About 8 minutes. About 8 minutes, and once you get there, as long as you're calm, he'll call whoever you want for you, okay?
All right. Thanks, sir.
Just stay calm till you get to the jail.
What we just witnessed is a textbook example of how a routine police encounter can escalate rapidly when multiple risk factors collide at once: legal, behavioral, and situational. Let's break this down step by step, because there's a lot happening beneath the surface here. First, the initial stop. From what we can gather, officers were responding to a traffic-related situation, possibly linked to reckless driving or a failure to comply. Right away, you can sense tension. The suspect is nervous, talking quickly, and even brings up dope and guns without being prompted in a direct accusatory way. That's a major red flag. In law enforcement, unsolicited mentions like that often heighten suspicion because they suggest consciousness of guilt, or at the very least, fear of being discovered. Then we move into identification and questioning. The suspect admits he just came from court and even references paperwork in his pocket. Now here's where it gets interesting. Officers try to de-escalate. You can hear them saying things like, "You went to court today. Don't turn nothing into something." That's actually a common tactic, giving the individual a chance to stay calm and avoid making the situation worse. But instead of stabilizing, the interaction continues to build tension. Legally speaking, once officers confirm he's driving on a suspended license, that alone is grounds for arrest. That's not optional. It's a chargeable offense. So at that point, the situation has already crossed from a simple stop into custodial territory. But what really changes everything is the vehicle search. When the K9 unit indicates and the suspect suddenly admits, "There's a little bit more in there," that's a critical turning point. That statement alone can be used as probable cause reinforcement. And from there, we see behavior shift dramatically: fidgeting, reaching into clothing, and then physical resistance. This is where things escalate from a legal standpoint into serious criminal exposure. Let's talk about resisting arrest. A lot of people misunderstand this. It's not just about running away. Even subtle physical noncompliance, pulling away, reaching, refusing commands, can justify use of force depending on the circumstances. And here, once the suspect starts moving unpredictably and not following commands, officers are trained to assume potential danger, especially after mentions of weapons earlier in the encounter. Now, the aftermath. The suspect claims excessive force, saying, "This is the second time y'all beat me up." That's a serious allegation. But from an evidentiary standpoint, these situations are evaluated based on bodycam footage, officer reports, and whether the force used was proportional to the resistance shown. That's something typically decided later in court, not on the street. Another key moment is when he repeatedly asks to go to jail instead of the hospital. This might seem odd, but it actually happens more often than you'd think. Some suspects prefer jail processing over medical evaluation because hospitals can delay the booking process, or they may fear additional scrutiny. However, legally, officers are required to get medical clearance if there are visible injuries. That's not optional, it's policy. And finally, the charges: drug possession, evidence tampering, and resisting arrest with violence. That combination is serious. Evidence tampering alone suggests he may have attempted to conceal or destroy substances during the stop, which significantly increases legal consequences. Add resisting with violence, and now you're looking at potential felony-level charges depending on jurisdiction. So here's the big question for you. At what point do you think this situation became unavoidable? Was it the initial stop, the admission about drugs, or the moment resistance began? And do you think the officers handled the escalation appropriately? Or could this have been de-escalated further? This case is a powerful reminder of how quickly things can spiral when emotions take over in high-pressure situations. One decision leads to another, and before you know it, a minor violation turns into multiple serious charges. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.